You won't believe how easy it is to make fish rolls this perfect. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and so golden. It'll feel as though they came from a bakery. I'll show you how. I'll start with the dough. To a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all properly till well combined. You're going to go in with 130 grams of cold salted butter or margarine. Add everything in and you're going to mix properly. If you're using unsalted butter or margarine, you're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix properly till well combined, till it feels like wet sand and it looks like breadcrumbs, just like this. It should look like this. Make a little well in the middle, then go in with your water. This is half cup of very cold water. If you want a very flaky crust, you're going to need cold butter and cold water. Very important. Mix gently, do not over mix this dough. Just mix till well combined. As soon as your dough all comes together, you stop mixing and wrap it up. I'll press down just like this. This will help it firm up faster. I'm going to place this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Next is our fish. This is the fish I'm using for this recipe. It's already well washed and clean. You can use any fish of choice, but this is the fish I'm using. I'll just use a paper towel to dab on it like this to take out any water, any unnecessary water out of this. I'm going to season this lightly. I went in with some salt, seasoning cube, some ginger powder, some cayenne pepper, a bit of curry. Season this however you want to. I'll use my hands and mix it all properly till well combined. I'll go ahead and grill this fish. You can boil the fish or you can even fry the fish. Grill in your air fryer or in your oven. This is it after grilling. I'm going to debone the fish. You need to be very careful while deboning the fish because we don't want any bone in our fish. So after deboning, I'll go in with my fork and I'm going to mash this fish properly. Mash your fish properly. So if you've watched till this point, kindly give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and share this video to people you feel might need this video. Thank you. So we're done with mashing the fish. This is what it looks like. I'll just keep this aside. To a pan, add some oil and saute some onions. Fry this for a bit for about 2 minutes, then go in with some pepper. This is optional. If you don't want the pepper, you can just skip the pepper. Stir this, then go in with some ginger powder. Stir. Then you're going to go in with your fish, with the mashed fish. Stir this for a bit. Then you're going to taste the fish. If the seasoning is okay, you don't need to add anything. But I noticed that it needed a bit of salt, so I added some salt and stir this properly. Then I went in with some green bell pepper. You can add whatever vegetable you want. You can even add some grated carrots to give it more color. Just make it however you want to, and then stir for about 2 minutes and it's ready. I'll take it off heat and transfer to a plate so that the fish filling will cool down completely. So while it's cooling down, flour up your work surface, and then at this point our dough has firmed up properly. It's cold and more firm. You sprinkle a bit of flour on your dough and you're going to roll. You're going to roll into a rectangle. Try as much as possible to get a long rectangular shape. That's what we're aiming for, because we are making one large fish roll and then we're going to cut it. So I'm just going to go ahead and trim it off like this. It's optional. You can decide to not trim it off, but I like it to be a bit neater, so I'll go ahead and trim it off. At this point, our fish filling has cooled down completely, so go in with the fish filling. Be generous with this, and also don't do too much, otherwise it might be really messy. So make sure you add in enough but not too much. If you're still here, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, share this video to people that might need it, and if you're feeling generous, you can even leave me a comment down below. I will really appreciate it. So next, you're going to fold it carefully just like this. You want to also fold tightly to prevent it from being messy and opening up. Try and secure everything. Make sure all the fish is well covered. Towards the end, just open it up a bit and brush with some water to seal it off completely. Make sure to brush this properly. Then you're going to cover and press down tightly and properly. Get your knife and cut as equal as possible. Don't make some larger than others. We want them to bake uniformly, so cut as equal as possible. This is our pie. This is what our fish pie looks like. I'm going to place everything in my baking tray lined with parchment paper. This is the excess that I cut out of the sides. I'm going to re-roll this again, and this is it, all done. I'll place in my baking tray, and I'm going to use a knife to just form patterns like this to give it this rich kind of look, just like this. But we're not done yet. No, we're not done. We're going to egg wash it so that it's going to get really golden brown, shiny, and really beautiful. After that, you're going to place in your oven at 180 and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. And guys, our pies are ready, and the smell was everything. And trust me when I say that the flakiness of this fish pie is to die for, and it's so flaky, you can tell from the crust. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.